Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect crypto wallet to website only ways. Open your wallet extension and unlock it, then visit the site and click Connect Wallet. Choose your wallet from the pop-up list, review requested permissions, and approve only what you trust. Finally, sign the required message to complete the handshake and confirm the connection in both the site and wallet interfaces for a secure link. Before connecting, always verify the site domain and SSL lock to avoid phishing. Check the wallet pop-up for exact permissions and never approve vague spending requests. For significant funds, prefer a hardware wallet and keep recovery phrases offline and secured. If anything looks wrong, disconnect immediately and revoke permissions later. These steps protect your keys and assets while letting you interact confidently with web apps and decentralized services. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation, I noticed a great read nearby, Dollar Banknote, The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with thinking about crypto and long-term goals. Check the description for the book link and other deals if you want to grab a copy. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. If a site fails to detect your wallet, refresh the page and ensure the extension is enabled. Try clearing cache or switching browsers if connection pop-ups won't appear. When permissions look wrong, revoke access in your wallet settings and reconnect only trusted sites. Keep your wallet software updated and avoid public Wi-Fi for signing. Small maintenance steps prevent many common hiccups and keep your interactions smooth and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.